The device shown is a ZX730S DC inverter welder, commonly used for arc welding. Key features and information. Type: DC inverter ZX7 Bay RC welder. Technology: utilizes IGBT inverter technology for reliable performance. Function: suitable for welding carbon steel and low alloy steel. Features: includes overload protection. Design: compact and energy saving. Display: digital display for current reading. Terminals: equipped with copper terminals. Amperage: can reach up to 300 amps. Portability: lightweight design for easy transport. Electrological manufacturing of power factor panel.